Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to withdraw crypto from Changelly. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily withdraw crypto from Changelly. So the first thing to do is make sure you open your Changelly app or visit the Changelly website and log in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, you have to tap the wallet balance, then select the crypto you want to withdraw. So once you select it, you have to tap the withdrawal or the send button, then paste in the recipient address, which is wallet address from your external wallet or exchange. So after that, select the correct network. Select the correct network. This part is very important. Make sure this network you select from the other exchange wallet or external wallet. That's the same wallet you also select on your Changelly. Like if you pick TRC20, you have to be on the same network with the other external wallet, so that you will not lose your fund. So once you pick or select the correct network to match the same recipient address, enter the amount to withdraw, then review the fee amount, the address and the network carefully. So complete any 2FA or email confirmation if prompted, then tap confirm. So you can also copy and paste or save the transaction ID shown after sending. Then you can also track the TXID on the blockchain explorer until the confirmation is finished, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.